So, I'm in the shower, as you see, and I'm going to fit the shower before I fit the screen. But what we have to do first of all is we have to offer everything up to see if it fits. Now these, as you may well have known, these are adjustable. They come in and out on little hooks, but I've made them as far as I can do them. And I'm just looking at those and they look rather big. And I don't think it's going to give me, no, it definitely isn't going to give me enough to put my shower in. So I've got a problem. I'm not really sure how to get around it. I'd have to cut those down so far, I'd have to cut half of those off because they really are massive. Now there is a thought of getting some aftermarket ones because I think you can get aftermarket ones of these thinner, but they won't be the same. So we've got a real problem at the moment that we've got to come and fix. So because if I put those on there like that, as you see, they screw on. That's as far as they're going. So I've got no screw to put this on. Now, you can't, if I take that off, you can't put those on with just that, because they don't look very nice.
When you say aftermarket, what do you mean aftermarket? What's that?
Well, it means that you can buy
Off the
ones
shelf.
off the shelf. But as you see, if we screw those on like that, so they're nice and tight, and they've got washers in them. So yeah, see, we are short. We're not that far out, but these are huge. These are so thick. The wall of them are so thick. I can't cut it because I don't have the wherewithal to cut. I could grind it off, but it'd look horrible. So sanding is the best option because but they're so thick. There's nothing else I can do. There you go. That took a while, but we've got two seriously reduced covers, which hopefully will fit. Let's go and check them out. The thing I like about this as well is one of the things I like about this system is that all of these that you buy are 15 centimetre centres, so you can buy whatever one you want. And even if you get tired of it, you're thinking, oh, I fancy a new shower, you can change it and it will be the same. So it's time to put the screen in for the shower, but I need some help. Liz! Liz!
come in.
Don't know where she goes.
I'm here, I'm here.
Oh, you're here, are you? Right.
Right, what do we need to do?
So we need to pick this up,
Yeah.
and it needs to go in. The screen side needs to go in first.
Right.
So if you want me to do that, because that'll be the heavy bit, but it's if we kind of pick it up from here, you got. It's not desperately heavy.
It's not
when
going
it's
to come
turning.
out. That's not going to fall out.
No, it's all together. So can I get my finger back? There we go. Right. Okay. So hands, get out. Right.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, it's going down. It's supposed to. It come out. Right. It needs to be straight, so you got rid of it.
Yeah.
It's supposed to go now. Oh, we're in there. We're in top. We're in. Right. How does that supposed to work? That's all right. I don't know how it's supposed to work.
okay.
It's got a lot. Well, yeah, it's got a lot. How the hell is that supposed to work?
These are hot.
No, nothing. No, it's supposed to be. Then you can't fix this on when you've got this on. Oh, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. You screw through there. So you take that off, and then you slide that in. That's what I take that strip off,
Right.
and then you slide that back into there, and then you screw it like that. That's the way you do it. Right,
Okay.
so, yeah, bring it up. Right, if you just.
Shall I just hold it?
Well, I need to get out now.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. No, I'm going for a gap.
Oh, yeah.
It's all right.
Okay, we made a bit of a balls up.
No, we
Tennis-
didn't make a balls up. On that metal, I know.
I've got this side, yeah. It's not in down the bottom. Should we take it back out again? Right.
Right, take it out. Got in.
What you got?
Give me the glove. Give me the glove. Give me the glove. Give me the glove.
What you got? What you got? What you got? What you got? That was a good shot. Okay, let's do it again.
I'll tell you what, I'm doing it. Yeah. That's in, isn't it? That's in.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's in.
Yeah.
That's in.
Right. So that didn't go quite to plan. But we've got it in now, thank God. It's just a door to go on. And an extra screw because we dropped one down the gully. Cool. Brilliant.
Yep, shower tray's all finished. Now that's the floor.
Better go and get the towels up here.
Better act. Right. These are the tiles that I think we got out of the piggeries. They were stacked in the corner of the piggeries, and I think they'll go perfect in the bathroom upstairs in the Templar suite. So we're going to clean them up, work out how many we need, and take them up there and lay them on the floor. That's the thing, we need to clean them first, don't we? That's the side. Right. What did I say? 48.56. So that's all done. It's your job to grout, I do believe.
Not tonight though.
Not tonight. Not tonight. We're going to have a Ruby Murray tonight.
We are.
We're going to have a curry. Oh, I'm pleased with that.
Yeah?
It's gone all right.
I think it looks great.
Do you think it looks good? I'm pleased I've got that done today, considering I started about 11 o'clock this morning. 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
That's not bad. I've had to cut every time because the thing is, it was, should I go and look for some? Should I go, you know, they're all handmade, so they're all different sizes. However, after cutting them, it went a lot smoother. Let's put it that way.
And the best thing of all is, they're free.
They were free. They were free. All we had to do is pay for the mixture.
Exactly.
And that's it. Yeah, so job done.
I'll get on and grout it tomorrow.
Can I wash my hands now?
You can go wash your hands. And would you like to
Get
take that
changed.
awful jumper off?
What's the matter with this jumper?
Because you're not going around to Debbie and Pete's like that.
What's the matter with this jumper? I don't know why you've got such a downer on my jumper.
I tell you, next time you take it off and you're not about, I am going to throw it.
There are people across the world that are going, no, don't throw that away.
I bet there's not.
I bet there is.
Let's
I bet there's people
let's
across the
see
world.
in the comments.
People across the world who would say, you know, that's the thing that happens to them. They're the thing is, it isn't even their favourite. It's just I just get it out of the bin and put it on. Not out of the bin, but I know what they'll do. I'll find it in the bin. I'll go, oh, I'll put it on.
In the comments, do you agree with me? Do you agree with Ted?
Don't agree with her. Don't agree with her. Everybody agrees with her.
Anyway, okay, well done, baby.
Thank you very much. I had some left over. Well, I've got 5 up.